We got this is the latest one of the latest technologies which can go inside the tunnels. It does not need it goes into GPS denied areas, and so it goes autonomous in inaccessible areas, and then you can assess if there is any convergence, any. So whereas here what has happened is it is accessible at least up to the front. So that's why in fact what we are doing now is to see that we are monitoring the convergence, and if there is any movement, and then our team is there at Bangalore.
So the vertical drilling is all prepared, as in all the sites prepared, the access roads prepared, everything's prepared, and a decision's being taken shortly about what to do with the vertical drilling. But all of the different access routes, they affect each other. So while we're doing augering, we have to be very careful, and that includes being careful about vertical drilling. So we're ready for vertical drilling. It's just a question of when the decision's made whether to do it or not to do it. The American auger machine is having a little rest at the moment. The American auger machine has been working very hard, and it's showing some signs of working a little hard. So there's some adjustments being made, because for the machine to work, it has to do an enormous amount of work, because it has to push that pipe all the way through the avalanche.
At this moment that we are standing outside the tunnel, we have throughout the night worked on two directions: revamping the foundation of the machine on which the auger drilling was operating, and it has been successfully done through the night. The second operation thereafter was to remove the auger, go to the mouth of the pipe, and try to remove by cutting the squeezed portion of the pipe, which is continuing now as we are talking. And my estimation is that roughly about an hour or 90 minutes would be used in extricating the entire material that we cut. Once that is done, we are ready to resume our normal operations of auger drilling, for which, as I have been telling, welding and then putting the assembly back and then pushing it will commence roughly around 11:30 or 12. But in between, a study by Parsons through the GPR, ground penetration radar, has indicated that in the next 5 meters stretch that we will be working on, there are no metallic obstructions. So hopefully the going on would be smooth. It's about 14 to 15 meters that we have to still go. Definitely hoping that it will conclude positively and successfully today.